How does it feel jumping in a pile of wood?
Free 99. Free compost. It's awesome. How do you feel?
You see the pile of wood?
Yeah? Isn't it awesome?
That's a lot of wood.
It's free. You know I love wood. I did say that I wanted some wood chips to, to make some compost, right? And hubby said, yeah, sure, we can get some wood chips. But I didn't realize it was this much. I just wound up getting all that. Who needs chip trap when you have your neighbors chopping down trees for you?
What I did not realize was that those wood chips are gonna give off a very, very distinct smell. It smells like cigarettes. It could be from the ash tree, no lie. It has a very, very strong odor. Oh man, I hope my neighbors don't get pissed off. 'Cause boy, that's a very strong smell, and I certainly cannot get rid of those wood chips now. They're all in my backyard.
Yeah, baby, now I got a lot of sun. Wait, look at that. Bam! More hours of sunlight. I get more hours right here. This one, that tree is the only one that's left.